rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey everyone, it's Shanae. For those who are new here, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how I installed that super cute bob wig from Lush Wig Company you seen at the beginning of this video. So I'm going to just unpack this package for you guys and show you what I received. So this is how inside the box looked. I received a tail comb, a wig cap. I got these two cute purple claw clips that I loved. I got some eyelashes. And of course, I got the wig. So before I install this wig, I'm going to show you guys exactly how the wig looked. So this is how the wig looked inside. It had this fake scalp, as you can see, and then outlining it, it had a transparent lace. So the hairline was transparent, and then the inside was a fake scalp. In total, there were 4 combs inside this wig. It had this adjustable band, as you can see. It was connected to the frontal. You can also adjust it. And then of course it had the adjustable bands on the inside that most wigs come with, or all. And yeah, this is how the curls looked. It was super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead now and install this unit. So I always start off my hair with 6 braids braided straight back. And now I'm just going to go in with my Got To Be Free spray, prepping my hair for the bald cap method that I'm going to use before I install this wig. So I'm going in with this nude cap that was provided for me in the box that I received the wig in, and I am just going to stretch it all the way down past my ears because, as you can see, I am cutting out a portion. That way my ears can go through this hole that I'm making. It just makes it easier, to be honest, so I like doing this method. I'm also going to be using my True Glue. I have been using this glue lately. So I'm going in and I'm just tracing out my hairline with the glue. And then I'm going to use the end of my tail comb and I am just going to smooth the glue in. That way the cap is easier to melt in with my skin so it's not visible. So you want to make sure that the glue is completely dry, and then I'm going in with my concealer and my makeup brush and I'm just going to apply it to the front portion of this cap. I'm going to go over the glue, I'm going to go behind the glue that I applied and just above it. That way when I cut this stocking cap, this wig cap off, it's blended into my skin. I'm also going to apply some of the makeup on the lace because, as I said before, the hairline of this wig is transparent lace. It's super thin, so you want it to still blend in. So I'm just going in with my foundation. Now I'm just going in and I'm cutting off the extra lace where I didn't glue. And as you can see, the wig cap is just blended. So here's the wig, guys. This is a curly wig. It's a 14-inch bob wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. I'm using the comb at the back of the wig to make sure that it is laying on my head properly. So I'm just checking the sides, making sure that it's covering the cap. And then I'm going in with my hot comb to just pull all the hair back, so all the little hairs are out of my way. So now I am just going to cut the extra lace at the side where my ears are. That way the wig just fits properly, so when I go in and apply the glue, it just sits and I don't have to worry about cutting off the lace around my ear and my ear tabs basically lifting up, because that's a problem that I would normally have. So here I am just taking out the front hairline, and this is the hair I'll be using for my baby hairs basically, but I'm just going in between and I am just plucking some hair out because I felt like it was too heavy. I didn't go too much in just because the wig is already laying on my head, and honestly it wasn't really necessary, but I decided to do it anyways. And honestly, it hurts more when you pluck it on your head. So if you have the opportunity, I would suggest plucking it while it's off your head. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the lace glue. So I'm just going to pull the wig back a bit, and look, you can see the fake scalp. And I'm just going to apply 2 layers of lace glue on my hairline. I do make little dots and then I just smoothen it out. I also like the method where you apply one side first and then you lay the wig, and then you go ahead and apply the next side and then lay the other side of the wig. That's the method I do. You can do the entire hairline at once if you like, but this is just the steps that I take. And of course, what I did on one side is the same exact thing I'm gonna do on the next side. So I'm going in with my scissors and I'm cutting off at least half of the extra lace. And once I've done that, I'm going to make my middle part, just because I already know I'm parting this wig in the middle. And I'm going to use my hot comb and just go over the front of my hairline. I feel like using the hot comb just helps blend this wig more. Any wig that you have, I just feel like once you glue the wig down, the hot comb just helps. So I'm going in now with my Pariis hair melt bands, guys. These are for sale, so check out my hair page if you would like to purchase one. And yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair. I'm going to hot comb the front part, which is the frontal part, with my hot comb and my wax stick. So just continue watching as I do this transformation. Also, I just wanted to mention that with my curly hair, I always use this soft sheen product. It is their moisturizing lotion, and anytime I have curly hair, I always wet it and apply this lotion to it. It helps maintain the curls, and if you guys just see how nice this hair looks while it's wet, like, it's unbelievable. So now I'm just going ahead and I'm removing my melt band. This wig is just looking amazing. So I'm cutting a slit right in the middle, and I'm gonna go in with my razor, and I'm just gonna razor off the extra lace. So I am letting you guys know that the side of this wig is dense, so you're not going to be able to have a real thin look at the side, so it's gonna look thick, but you have to wear the center part anyways, so I mean, you can get away with it. So once the lace is cut off, I'm going to go ahead and make some baby hairs, as you can see. So I'm just pulling out some hair, and I'm only gonna make a swoop on each side. So that's what you see me doing right now. Once my baby hairs are done, I'm going in with my helmet head and I'm just spraying it on my hairline, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply back my melt band. So I did decide to go in and cut my hair more into a shoulder length bob. So I'm just cutting off the ends. You want to make sure when you do cut your curly hair that you are not pulling down the curls. So I'm just eyeballing it and I'm just cutting some of the ends off. That way it is a one layered bob. So guys, once I remove my melt band, this is basically it. I do go back in with my hot comb, but this is the final look. I honestly loved this look. I love a curly bob. So guys, go ahead, check out Lush Wig Company if you are interested in this wig. All the details will be down in my description box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I know I'm annoying, but do you see that scalp though? Do you see that scalp? That's all I have to say.